call, you don't need a phone. He's always near, you will never be alone. Hallelujah, he can hear you from his throne, because your faith, his favorite ringtone. Hallelujah.